Let's look at what are the requirements for active listening. Two things, and that is, if we have to provide or practice active listening, we must have a total physical presence and a total psychological presence. Did you hear the expression? Physically present, mentally absent. What does that mean? It means that I'm physically here, but my mind is somewhere else. That means I'm not paying attention. That means I'm not practicing reflective listening. I'm not practicing active listening. So, physical presence and psychological presence are essential. To be able to convey that we are physically present, we could practice what Gerald Egan has recommended, and the acronym is SOLER, S-O-L-E-R. Each letter stands for a word. S stands for sit squarely. As you can see in the picture, these two ladies having a wonderful conversation, and the lady on the right who's listening seemed to be giving complete physical presence to the other person. So S is sit squarely, O is open posture, L is lean forward. As you can see, she's leaning forward. E is for eye contact, and R is for relaxed. There you don't see any tension in her. So what does it convey? It conveys that she's interested. It conveys that she's absorbing everything the other person is saying. It conveys that what she's saying matters. And she's conveying that I'm there for you. So SOLER is a good tool to practice active listening. So that conveys physical presence. How do we practice psychological presence? Now, the idea is that we need to keep our mind free from all disturbances, free from all distractions. So what should we do? When we are having a good conversation, minimize all possible disturbances, phone, visitors, TV, music, etc. Minimize all possible disturbances. Secondly, in order for you not to get disturbed, keep all needed resources at hand. Whether you need some handouts as you're having a conversation, the reading material as you're having a discussion, or statistics which will help you to make a report, personal notes that you've made on the subject, and a calculator if necessary, pen, pencil, highlighter, whatever, that you are not disturbed from that conversation. You are able to concentrate completely and totally on the conversation. So that is giving psychological presence, not getting disturbed or distracted from the conversation. So physical and psychological presence are required for active listening. And thirdly, practicing of right mental orientation. In other words, a positivity. If I don't like the person, I can't listen to that person well. So I need to suspend all judgment. I may know some facts about that person which are not to your liking, but this is a different conversation, and you need to suspend those judgments and have the right mental orientation to have good listening or active listening. All right? So I don't know if you were able to listen actively to what I said, but surely those are the tools and the tips that you can practice when you're having conversations, when you're building relationships,